colors bright and dreams so wide. We'll take a magical rainbow ride. Gallop through the clouds so soft and white, chasing the stars in a gentle night. With a sparkle here and a twinkle there, our rainbow horse takes us everywhere. Through candy fields and rivers of light, we'll ride together in pure delight. With every step, new worlds appear. Our rainbow horse brings magic near. Gallop through the clouds so soft and white, chasing the stars in the gentle night. With a sparkle here and a twinkle there, our rainbow horse takes us everywhere. Dance on rainbows, glide on beams, living our wildest, sweetest dreams. With colors swirling in the sky, our rainbow horse will never say goodbye.